have to move everything over a foot. So I'm going to get the tractor, but I'm going to do that in the morning. Maybe I'll go do it right now. And just bump it over. Yeah. Slide it over a foot before I get it all leveled up. Now I'm not putting the blocks underneath it, only because the ground's frozen. So I'll pull this back out in the spring, clean it up a little bit, but I got something planned for out here this spring a little bit. Maybe. Whoa. This log has a big swoop to it. There we go. Right on. Really, there's just a few more things to do. I need to get the roller conveyors over here. One set up for the slabs, one set up for the lumber, and my saw horses, and the loading deck saw horses. I need to get those over here. I'll do that in the morning, and maybe we'll cut this log. I need some deck boards for 2 trailers, equipment trailer and a hay wagon. And this is a red oak. I'm going to go with red oak. It doesn't last as long as white oak, but equipment trailers, you're usually going to wear them out before they rot out. Probably not the hay wagon, but I'll oil them down. So we're going to cut this into whatever cant we can get it into, and then we will make deck boards out of it. But I wanted to try that log turner on a full-size log. Now this has got a little swoop to it, so that's why I wanted to roll back on me. But I got to get the rest of that stuff set up, and then we will be ready to start milling. We are all set back up. I got the mill leveled up. All the mods are seeming to work. And I got all the roller tables set up. So we're going to give this a try tomorrow. So we're all done for today. Excellent. I'm glad to have my mill back. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you out here next time.